Good morning, Vatsan. How are you, beta? Okay, shall we start the class, please? Ready, everyone? Okay, Rahul, good morning. Good morning, beta. So, most of the important questions we have to start now. Most important questions for coming examination. We will have sessions where we will revise all that. Anush, good morning, beta. Okay. Kamya, good morning. First question. Ready, everyone? Now, some typical questions as we were solving. One question I am giving you. Let's see how you are going to handle this question. Ready? Now, some typical questions of height and distance we are going to, that is applications we are going to do. One question is a ladder against a vertical wall. A ladder against a vertical wall at an inclination alpha to the horizontal its foot is pulled away from the wall. Its foot is pulled away from the wall. Through a distance p. So that its upper end slides to a distance q down the wall, and then the ladder makes an angle down the wall, then the ladder makes an angle beta with the horizontal. Show that P by Q equal to cos beta minus cos alpha by sin alpha minus sin beta. So if this question will come for 4 marks and not less than that. A very good question, a very important question. Nandini, good morning. Yaini, good morning. Nitin, good morning. So this question will come for 4 marks. Everyone get ready. How to solve this question? What is the question given there? Everything is very, very important here. Now tell me how to solve this question, what and all I am going to draw. So the most important thing here is कि first we have to see something like, first we have to arrange the ladder. So how to arrange the ladder? So the ladder will be like this. This is the wall. And the ladder will be exactly this one. So this is the ladder actually. This is the ladder. AB is the ladder. And it is subtending angle alpha. Fine. Now, once it is subtending angle alpha, so this will become whatever height we are going to take. Let's see, after that only we are going to put something. Now what will happen? The ladder will slide. So if the ladder will slide, the ladder will come like this. Means now, the ladder height remains the same, but the ladder will slide like this. So the moment the ladder will slide, it will make beta angle, and then they are telling that its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance p. So this is the distance. This is the distance. The pulling is exactly done. So this is coming as p. Okay. So now it is going to this location D, and in the wall, how much distance it is exactly getting pulled? So Q is the distance it is exactly getting pulled. Now they are telling that they are not interested to get any other thing, but they are just wanting that P by Q is equal to cos beta minus cos alpha by sin alpha minus sin beta. So this is exactly, Yaini, auntie make question little bit size. Okay, fine. I am going to change it beta. Sarthak, see this question. Everyone see this question. First I am just making the question bigger, okay? Shiva, good morning. Shiva Shakti, good morning. Nandini, good morning. Yaini, Nitin. Fine. Now what else we are going to do here? Just check this one out. So this is the question. I'm just... Yaini, okay? Can I start solving question? Okay, fine. So now look here. I'm reducing the size of the question. Now look here. So this is exactly AB is the ladder. Fine. And this is again the length of the ladder remains the same. The most important thing is the ladder length is remaining same. Only one thing is happening. The ladder is sliding. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, Rahul, solving beta. Rahul, ready? So now look here. How to solve this question? I hope everyone is ready with the question. So now this distance, now I am going to take this distance as x. One simple technique I am telling you, this distance is taken as x. That means if I am going to take this one now, because it is getting slided, so this distance, if I am going to write E and this part is Q is there, so after sliding it is coming in the location E. So now this one if I am going to take at x, and this one if I am going to take it as y. So now everything is done, angle also taken, everything also taken. One small technique I am just going to tell you, which you have to follow. Like in the question they told you to prove now, sin alpha, cos alpha is there, in the sin alpha is there, cos alpha is there, sin beta is there and cos beta is there. So that means all the four, like all the two trigonometric ratios are very, very important, that is sin alpha and cos alpha. But sin and cos is important, and with that angle alpha and beta. So our strategy should be to get sin and cos alpha and beta both separately, and after that we have to arrange it. So this should be our strategy. What did I said? Our strategy should be to use and get sin alpha, cos alpha value, and sin beta, cos beta value. Okay, so this should be our strategy of using. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, first we will take triangle ABC. So first triangle, when the ladder is exactly in this location, and ladder is A, B and C, and this is x taken and this is y taken and this is alpha. So we are going to, I am just splitting it up. First I am only taking this part, okay, before sliding. So now this has been taken as x and this has been taken as y. You can do one thing, you can write here AE is equal to Q and EC is equal to x, EC equal to x, and then BC equal to Y and BD equal to P. So let all these values we have taken. Now after taking, now we can start. In triangle ACB, right angled at C, right angled at C. So now here we can write tan alpha, sorry, tan we are not going to take because sine and cos we have to find. So sine alpha will be equal to x by AB, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So x by AB, taking it as equation 1, and then cos alpha. Cos alpha will become y by AB, equation 2. So first work over. I told you sin alpha, cos alpha we will take. Sin alpha, cos alpha we have taken. Now the sliding part of that. Now the sliding part, we know once it will slide, so this part will become, x plus q. When I am taking this triangle, then it will become x plus q. This part if I am taking, then q part is also there. So x plus q will come here. Okay, x plus q will come because here this section is q and this part is there, so only y will be there. So y will be there, y by AB, this part is going to be total x plus q. This length is coming x and this is q. So when I am taking this triangle, then half part is exactly coming as q and this part is x. So x plus q by AB we are taking, and then y by AB we have taken. Now in triangle, after sliding, now it is coming in location E, C and D. So now this time down it will become y plus p and here it will become x. So now we are going to write in triangle ECD, right angled at C. Now here sine first we will take, this time it will become beta. So sine beta equal to perpendicular by ED. So perpendicular by ED. Now next thing is we are going to take it as equation 3, and cos beta will be equal to y plus p by ED. One very important connectivity is needed, and that connectivity point is, if you will see nicely, because now we have got sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta and cos beta. So now by question we have to be very q go, where is q going? I wrote q here, x plus q, and here by AB and here y by AB. Okay, now look here, x by ED and this one, but only one thing is there, ED and AB has nothing but they are the length of the ladder. So ED AB equal to ED is nothing but length of the ladder. So length of the ladder is not changing, length of the ladder, so they will be equal to each other. Now according to the question, what else we can do, because here AB part is coming. So AB part is coming, so shall I shift this AB that side? So now I am just going to continue with solving section, because if we are going to make AB common somewhere, after that only we will plan for elimination of something else. But first AB section shall we remove? So first this 2 part is coming. So I am going to solve this to equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So AB equal to x plus q by sin alpha, and we know that AB will be equal to y by cos alpha over. So this 2 will be equal. So shall we write x plus q by sin alpha equal to y by cos alpha. So now again it is coming in the y format. So our concept is now this 2 we have to remove, because x and y is not there in the question. If you will see in the proof section, only p and q is there. So literally we have to eliminate x and y. So 2 times we have to go there and we have to remove. Okay, so if we will be able to remove that one, then to p and q we will be getting. That part we have to do nicely. Okay, that section we have to do nicely. Okay, what happened, Akshaya? Akshaya, what happened, beta? Anything, any doubt is there? Any problem is there, beta? Can you tell me? Something I wrote. Nothing. Okay. Okay. No problem, beta. So if I am going to do like this, substitution part is coming very problem for us, because AB is coming sin alpha, this part is coming. So now what can we do, because X and Y will be there, X and Y part is there. So our concept should be X and Y to take common, something to be eliminated. So if I will be subtracting this 2 and this 2, then I think I will be getting something. So AB part we are getting. So I am going to take AB cos alpha, I am going to take AB sin alpha equal to X plus Q. And then I am going to take AB cos alpha equal to Y. So this I have taken X plus Q and Y. Now I am again going to shift this side, ED sin beta equal to X. ED sin beta equal to X, and then ED cos beta equal to Y plus P. See, very nicely I have just done one small work. First though I took sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta, cos beta. Akshay, now is it okay? Akshay, just check this one out, beta. So AB sin alpha equal to X plus Q. Now can you see one thing? X is coming with this one. X is coming with this one. So now you see, I am going to take these two together, because here very nicely I can substitute the value. And then I am going to take these two together. So that's what I have just changed that. So AB sin alpha equal to X plus Q, ED sin beta equal to X. And we know that AB equal to ED, length of the ladder. It is not going to change. So now this part I am going to just substitute the value of X from here. So this value of X is ED sin beta. I am going to write here. So AB sin alpha equal to X will be written as ED sin beta plus Q. Okay, now ED is nothing but AB. So AB sin alpha minus AB sin beta equal to Q. Since we know that ED equal to AB, length of the ladder. Now I am going to take this two. Okay, now I am going to take this two. AB cos alpha equal to Y written, and this part is there. So shall we do one thing? Shall we substitute Y value from here and put it here? So it is going to come ED cos beta minus ED cos beta equal to, instead of Y beta I am just substituting this value of Y. So it will come AB cos alpha plus P. Shift this that side, ED is equal to AB. So it will become AB cos beta minus AB cos alpha equal to P. Since we know that ED equal to AB, length of the ladder. So now AB, now dividing equation, they told Q P by Q. So dividing this two. So this will be taken as 5 and 6. So dividing 6 by 5. Dividing equation 6 by 5. What we are getting? AB take out. Cos beta minus cos alpha is equal to P. And here AB sin alpha minus sin beta equal to Q. So this divided, so this AB cancel, we proved. And this question was nothing. Good morning, Madhu. We proved beta, and this question was nothing. So this was the first practice typical questions I am handling today. So please kindly have a look how I have exactly made the strategy. One ladder was there. It took time to solve this question. Listen, it took time to solve this question, but I didn't left anything. Akshay beta, now tell me, is it okay? Shortcut method adopted? I didn't go for heavy calculation. I just made it simple so that you will be able to solve it nicely. Madhu, just check this one out beta, you joined late. So ladder is there. So this ladder got slided. So first we have taken the length of the ladder as, so exactly the ladder was in this position. And now what happened? So this time it is exactly coming as, so this length sliding. So this angle is coming as alpha. After some time the ladder slided and it is making beta. So what we have done is that sliding part from here is Q, this much is the slide here, and this much slide is coming as P, okay, and this length we have taken as X, and this length we have taken as Y. So one time we have taken this triangle ACB. When we took that triangle ACB, then it was coming as X plus Q and Y is coming beta. But when we are taking triangle ACD, then X, Y plus P is coming. So here both things I have written. So my first focus was sin alpha, cos alpha, and then sin beta. Yes, Rahul, and this typical questions only I want my children to be best. Like you have to solve the questions and you have to practice hard. So nothing else I have done beta, just took sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta, cos beta. After taking them, I have just done arrangement. Okay, so first triangle here X plus Q, because total length is coming na Rahul, so here it is going to come beta Q plus X, and this part will become Y. So just sliding section only you have to take the length beta. After taking the length now you will be able to solve. And second part is coming as X, so now this part is coming as X and Y plus P is there. So X, Y plus P is there. So only one time I have taken alpha and then find sin alpha and cos alpha, then beta, then sin beta and cos beta, and then we know that length of the ladder remains the same. So AB equal to AD. After that, one small thing I have done, I wrote only these two things. Connectivity is between these two. You see, connectivity is between these two equation, first equation and third equation. In first and third equation, very cleverly what I have done, I eliminated X from here. So this X got removed by this X value. So here instead of X we wrote ED sin beta, and we know ED is nothing but AB, and then shifted, we got Q value. And then in the second part what I have done, my main focus was this Y. I wanted to eliminate, so this Y value I substituted here in this Y, and then I exactly, you know, AB is equal to ED, and then I divided P by Q. So once I divided P by Q, we got the answer. Once I divided P by Q, we got the answer. Yes beta, sin alpha is exactly coming as X plus Q. Sin alpha is coming, Rahul, X plus Q. I hope everybody might have understood question, because another question, typical question I am going to give today, another typical questions only from entire syllabus I am going to check and I am going to give it to you, so that you will understand that typical questions, if it will be coming, how you are going to handle. So ready for next question beta? Next question is find a natural number. So you have to literally find a natural number. Find a natural number. Find a natural number. So you have to get a natural number beta. First find a natural number whose square diminished by 84. Whose square diminished by 84. Square diminished by 84. Diminished by 84, whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. Thrice of 8 more than the given number. So if like this type of questions will also be coming, you will be able to handle it nicely. Now solve this question beta, solve this question. This question is a simple question. You just need to understand how you are going to apply the formula here. Go for it. Go for it, you will be able to solve. Typical, no, this question is not typical. You will be able to handle it nicely. Try this question out. This question is not tough beta, this question is easy. What is the question given? Find a natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. Thrice of 8 more than the given number. Thrice of 8 more than the given number. Pick the words beta, you will be able to solve. Let's see, anyone getting the answer? Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. It's not a tough question. Can I solve? What happened to my children today? Easy question only. Let the natural number be x. Let the natural number be x. Okay, anyone got the answer? Okay, Kamya wants to be. Okay, beta, I am going to wait, Kamya, no problem. Solve it, beta, solve it. I am waiting. Come on, you can do it. You can solve. Easy question only, beta. Question is not tough. What is the answer here? Very good, Kamya. Kamya, it is a natural number. Super, beta. God bless you, Kamya. Only one thing, beta, you have to eliminate one number. Because the question given here is, it is a natural number. Okay. So answer will be, which one will be the answer, Kamya? Just give the answer, beta. Everyone pay attention here for this question. Find a natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than given number. Thrice of 8 more than given number. So yes, Kamya. Now it is the correct answer, beta. So now what they have given, that square diminished by 84. Square of that number. So if x is the natural number, then square of natural number is diminished by 84, means x square minus 84, and then it is telling that it is equal to thrice of 8, 3 times of 8 more than the given number. 3 times of 8 more than the given number. So this should be your strategy. Very good, Kamya. This should be your strategy. You exactly going like this. So x square minus 84 equal to 3 8s are 24 plus 3x is coming. So we are going to shift this one this side. X square minus 3x minus 84 minus 24 equal to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 448, 8 to 10 equal to 0 coming. So now we need to bring minus 3. So 2 5s are 10, 4, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7, and then 3 9, and then 3 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 coming. X square minus 12x plus 9x minus 108 equal to 0. To take x common, so it will become x minus 12 plus 9 common, x minus 12 equal to 0. So x is coming as minus 9 and 12. X is coming as minus 9 and 12. So therefore, since x is a natural number, so x cannot be equal to minus 9. Therefore, x equal to 12 answer. So since x is natural number, so x cannot be equal to 9. So the correct answer here is, it is going to be this one. Absolutely correct, beta. So now we are going to go quickly. Everyone, I hope, understood. Nothing is there, beta. Equation itself is very neatly written. The question itself is so neatly written that, okay, a natural number, square of the natural number is diminished by 84. So minus 84. And then it is 3 times 8 more than the number. So 3 times means into 8 more than the number. Shall we go for the next question? Now next question is, if Zeba was younger by 5 years, then what she really is, then the square of her age in years would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual, 11 more than 5 times her actual age. What is her age now? See, question is so typically written. Zebra, Zeba, Z-E-B-A, Zeba, beta, Zeba. Go for this question. Can I solve? Statement: if Zeba was younger by 5 years, then what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 years. Very good, Rahul. Answer is 14 is correct. But 1 is not the correct answer. One answer will be coming in negative. Check nicely. X square plus 11. X square plus 11 plus 5x 5 square. No, beta. This is not the correct equation, Kamya. Kamya, one time check, beta. See here, one thing is there, na, ki they are telling that if Jiva was younger by 5 years, then what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. So let her actual age right now, let her actual age be x. Actual age now. actual age now be x years. Now 5 years before, her age x minus 5. Now they are telling if Ziba was younger by 5 years than what she really is, then the square of her. So when square of her age, so what she really, then the square of her age would have been. The square of her age would have been. Would means in the past. Square of her age would have been. Then what she really was, when the square of her age would have been. Beta, would have been the most important point here, because they are telling square of her age would have been equal to. Square of her age would have been equal to 11 more than 5 times her actual age. So x minus 5 whole square is the past age, square of the past age. Actual age right now we have taken as x plus 11. Now solve this one, Rahul. Understood, everyone? So this is exactly the trickiest part of the question. This is the trickiest part. The statement here you have to hold. Exactly, the statement is the most important thing here. See, if Jiva was younger by 5 years, then what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. Okay, the past square age equal to square of the past square age would have been equal to 11 more than 5 times her actual age. 11 more than 5 times of her actual age. So now what we are going to do? Very good, Kamya. So now let me see beta how equation is exactly going to hold for us. So now we are going to write the equation here. So x square plus 25 minus 10x equal to 5x plus 11. So shift everything that side. X square minus 15x, then plus 25 minus 11 plus 25 minus 11 equal to 0. So x square minus 15x, 5 minus 1 will become 4. So 14 is coming. So x square minus 14x minus x plus 14 equal to 0. So x will come. So x minus 14 and then minus 1. X minus 14 equal to 0. So x is coming as 1 and 14. So her actual is because she was exactly 5 years before her age was there, and that will not fit the equation. So because of that, what we are going to say, so 1 year is not possible, x equal to 1 is not possible. Then her age in 5 years before will become negative. So therefore now she is x equal to 14 years old. So present age for Jiba is x equal to 14 years. So this is exactly the most important thing here. Ki when we are solving such typical questions, some part of the statement we have to exactly keep on repeating, and we have to check the some part of the statement nicely. Okay. So now I am going to give another typical question here, because I think word problems you should have a nice grip on that. So one more word problem I am giving you. Let's see how you are going to handle this one. Everybody understood or not? Come on, quickly tell me so that I can go for the next question, beta. Okay. Just one thing. Plus will be there. Minus 15 is there, na? Minus 15 is there, beta. Since minus 15 is there, so minus 10 minus 5, so minus 15 is coming. 25 minus 11 is coming as 14. So only I wrote minus 14 minus 1, so that it will become minus 15. So if I am taking minus 1 common, it is coming as x1 and 14. Okay, yeah, check one time. It will come 1 and 14, beta. One time check. It will come 1 and 14. Up 1 is correct only. Check the equation perfectly. X square minus 15 is there, Kamya. So beta, I just, it will come 1. Answer will come 1 because here x is coming as minus 1. Here factor is coming as the factor of x, because I see, if you will take this one, x square minus 14x minus x plus 14 equal to 0, then take x common, so x minus 14 is coming, then take minus 1 common, so x minus 14 equal to 0, so x minus 1 and x minus 14 is coming, so x is coming as 1 and 14. No problem, Kamya, no problem, beta. Shall we go for the next question, beta? This question is, the denominator of a fraction is the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator is 3 more than its numerator, the sum of its fraction and reciprocal is 29 by 10. Find the number. Find the fraction. Do it. This question is easy, beta. This question, no problem, Kamya. When I am writing, that was, I got confused there. Now it is okay. Go for this question. What is the answer, beta? Okay, Rahul. 2n minus 5, Purvika, it is absolutely correct beta. 2n minus 5. Write the fraction beta. The fraction will become, yes, just fraction you have to write beta. Otherwise it is absolutely correct. So the number we are going to write it as. So easy way, let's check this one out. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. So let the number in the numerator part will become what? Let the number be x. So if number is taken as x, then numerator is, the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. So numerator is, so I am just writing numerator is x, then denominator is x plus 3. So now they are telling that sum of the fraction and its reciprocal. So when reciprocal we will take, then x plus 3 will go up and that will be equal to 29 by 10. Nothing big, cross x into x, x square, it will become x plus 3 whole square by x, x plus 3, and that will be equal to 29 by 10 over, so x square plus 9 plus 2 3s are 6x by x square plus 3x equal to 29 by 10. Okay, so now this one will become 2x square plus 6x plus 9, 10 is coming here, equal to 29 x square plus 3x. So this time it is exactly going to come as 20x square plus 60x plus 90 equal to 29x square plus 3 9 27, 3 2 6 7 8, 87x. Shift everything that side, 29 minus, this one will shift this side, then 29 minus 20 will become 9x square. Now 87 minus 60 will shift, it will become 27x minus 90 equal to 0. So this one will become, take 9 common, x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. 9 cannot be equal to 0. Now what you call, this is a constant number, constant cannot be equal to 0. So 3x plus 10 minus this part will become equal to 0. So 2 5 10. So x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Take x common, x plus 5 minus 2, x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 2, x plus 5 equal to 0. So x is coming as 2 and minus 5. So number they are asking beta, so fraction. So in the fraction what number we are going to get? 2 by 2 plus 3, 2 by 5 we are getting. Okay, 2 by 5 we are getting. Yes, 5 by 8 and minus 2 by 1. Very good. And minus 5 by 1 when you will be taking, then you have to check beta. See which fraction is going to satisfy the content, that you have to check one time. Only that work you have to do beta. Now shall we go for the next question please? The next question is, go for the next question. I told some tricky questions we are going to take here. So now one question is there. This question is only for 2 marks. Now I want your analysis how you are going to handle this question, because once you will be able to get the question and how to solve it, means 2 marks will be in your pocket. Okay, so this question is the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0 has distinct real root. Distinct real roots, I discussed already again and again what is the meaning of distinct real roots. If k is equal to 4, why or why not? So when this question will come, means you will keep yourself in a halt, because one small thing is there beta, they will tell that distinct real root means we know what situation you have to we have to start. D is greater than 0, D equal to 0 and D is less than 0. Means out of this 3, distinct real roots is exactly fitting which one, you just have to take that one and solve. But here they are giving that, okay, if k will be equal to 4, then only it will have distinct real root, why or why not. So if they will be asking why, you will be able to answer why or why not, then this question belongs to you. Now tell me how you are going to attempt this question. Quickly say beta, quickly say. Go for this question. This question is nothing. Try this. I really want the situation here because the question is exactly clear and I want you to be clear by the answer also beta. Means how you are going to approach this question, because till this much means you will be able to handle like, okay, distinct real roots. Distinct real roots means when the roots are different. Okay, means ki it will be real, the roots will be real and roots will be different. It will not be equal. The roots will not be equal. It will be real and different. So that is exactly called as distinct real root. So till this much part you will be able to do. Very good. Kamya 2, 2. Beta, very cleverly handle this question, Kamya. This is exactly called as a sharp weapon. This question is a sharp weapon. This question will cut your marks. Okay, so this question when will come now, you have to be very carefully handling the question, because first create a relation beta. Why or why not is written. So you have to focus in this. Don't go by the question they have given if k is equal to 4. Don't trust this statement first. Okay, you trust your steps. So x square plus 4x plus k equal to 0. Compare it with general quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. When you will compare, a is coming as 1, b is coming as minus 4 and c is coming as k. So exactly what you did, you compared a 1, b minus 4 and c equal to k. Now distinct real roots. Distinct real roots means d is strictly greater than 0. Okay, distinct real roots. Not real roots, distinct real roots. So now b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So what is b? Minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into k greater than 0. So I told you one logic, one technique. So now k is exactly coming, 16 minus 4k is coming beta greater than 0. Now you know that ki whenever variable, many a times I told you ki whenever variable will have a coefficient which is negative in inequality, then this will be shifting this side. Don't shift minus 16 and cancel. Many children, they do like this. This is absolutely wrong. This will exactly take the question into some different level and everything will be collapsing. Okay, d will be equal to 0 cannot be taken, Purvika. Beta, because here the most important thing is beta, they exactly told that it is a distinct. So first to don't trust the question, Purvika. Just see the one part of the question only. And that one part is if k is equal to 4 and this statement I am just cancelling. First I am going to go for the quadratic equation has distinct real roots. So that one statement I only picked and from there only I'll get the value of k and then I will justify that this is statement I have to pick or not, because beta they have written why or why not. So when they have written why or why not, very cleverly we will first go to the statement and then we will answer. Just like it is just like ki when you have something, when they will ask what is your name and then why or why not. So first you will tell hey, this is my name, that's why this is my name. So like that it is there. So first I am going to go for the name statement itself. So now this will shift this side, so it will become 4k. So now 16 by 4 less than k. So here first thing itself is k is coming as 4. All the statement went for a halt. Yes, don't trust this statement until and unless the statement is telling you, okay, it's time beta, until and unless the statement itself is explaining the point. So the statement itself, that means what? If k equal to 4, so k is not at all equal to 4. We are not going to take k equal to 4. So it will be a, so here the statement you are going to write. So why or why not does not matter for you right now. Why or why not does not at all matter for you. So you are going to write when, therefore don't put when you are putting. So when k will be less than 4, the quadratic equation has distinct real roots. Means alpha and beta, two roots will be distinct when k will be less than 4. Strictly k will be less than 4. So since distinct real root will be there, strict inequality will be there. No any other thing. When real root will be there, then you think about putting equal to sign. So here you cannot put this one because here strictly given distinct real root. Means the discriminant is exactly determining the alpha and beta, and that alpha beta have distinct real root. So this is the most catch point here. Yes, greater become lesser. Akshay, again and again I am telling. Here when minus will be there, you have to shift this side and then you have to justify the statement beta. We cannot take it in the statement form. Okay. So I am going to keep it till here. Tomorrow again morning I am going to bring some very typical questions for you. Right now we are going to go for that questions which we will not be expecting in examinations and the questions which may create problem for you. So from the entire syllabus we will now revise. Okay, so tomorrow my focus will be like this type of statement, and second some tricky questions. Fine. So beta k less than 0, strictly less than. So here we are not at all going to, because k is not equal to 4. So why or why not statement does not matter. We have given our own statement that when k will be less than 4, then only the real roots will be distinct. That's it. Open and shut case. Okay. Bye everyone. Yes, it is not equal to 4. That's what, Rahul. You say it is not equal to 4. Then why we are going to talk about why or why not? Understood? So just take it till here, beta. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.